Did you know that you can predict your future? It's not magic, but about the company you keep. Your friends play a big role in your life trajectory. They can influence where you'll be, what you'll be doing, and even your income in 5 years. Often you'll find that your income is similar to that of your closest friends. You all probably have similar interests, hang out at the same places, and even read the same books. Or maybe none of you read at all. Even though your 5 best friends are your favorite people, it's important to reassess these relationships when you're ready to make positive changes in your life. Think of relationships as elevators. They're either taking you up or bringing you down. Not every friendship is meant to last forever. Sometimes we cling to harmful relationships that should have ended years ago. That's why choosing the right friends is so crucial. For your long-term success, you need to pick your friends wisely. Want to know how? Stay tuned for some secrets. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Aim higher. Want to level up your life, career, or business? Start hanging out with people who are already where you want to be. This can open your mind to new possibilities. It's natural to feel at ease with people who are similar to you, and that's fine. But occasionally, it's beneficial to step out of your comfort zone and mingle with friends who can introduce you to bigger things, fresh insights, and a superior lifestyle. Value these friendships, and you'll soon find yourself moving up too. Transitioning from there, it's important to pick friends who share your values. Diversity is fantastic in many aspects, but when it comes to your core values and beliefs, it's best to have close friends who think like you. You can respect differing opinions, but having friends who share your values helps you avoid compromising or being negatively influenced by those who don't share your values. Friends with similar values can help each other stay true to their beliefs. Next, find friends with shared goals. Let's call these your goal buddies. When you have friends who are aiming for the same things, especially if you're an entrepreneur, you can motivate each other. You can work towards your goals together and cheer each other on. Moving on, pick friends who balance out your weaknesses. We all have our strengths and weaknesses. With the right friends, you can leverage their skills in areas where you might be lacking. Maybe you're not great at keeping your closet tidy, but you have a friend who loves organizing. Ask for her help. If you're a good writer, you could help a friend who's updating her resume. When you make use of each other's strengths, it's a win-win situation. Choose friends who challenge, inspire, and uplift you. These friends make great goal buddies too. Nobody wants to be around someone who's always negative. We're naturally drawn to people who are positive and uplifting. Which category do your friends fall into? What are your conversations with them like? Let me know in the comments. The best friends are those who are there to listen and help you see the bright side of any situation. Furthermore, find friends with the same hobbies. Life's more fun when you share interests with your friends. You can enjoy activities and outings together. Whether it's sports, music, arts, or food, having shared interests means you can explore new places and experiences together. Pick friends who love to learn. Life is all about learning and growing. With friends who have a thirst for knowledge, you can learn from each other. It's great to have a friend who can suggest a good book or share useful information. Plus, friends who love to read usually make great conversation partners. Choose friends who can be your goal buddies. You've probably noticed this term popping up a lot. To elaborate, a goal buddy is someone you can share your dreams and goals with, and they'll cheer you on. When you share your plans with your goal buddies, they can help keep you accountable. Let them check in on your progress and do the same for them. Find friends who cheer for your victories. You need friends who celebrate you, not just put up with you. A true friend will rejoice at every milestone and success on your journey. They'll be genuinely thrilled for you and will be the first to say, "Congratulations." Friends like these are rare, so when you find them, hold on to them. Lastly, choose friends who are go-getters. Go-getters are serious about their goals and success. They don't take life lightly or waste time on trivial pursuits. They're quick to act and get things done. If you see yourself as a go-getter, it's important to have friends who are the same. Remember, friendship is a two-way street. If you want great friends, you need to be a great friend first. Live by the golden rule. Treat others as you would want to be treated. You'll find your friendships fulfilling and rewarding. Take some time to assess your friendships. Do your friends tick all the boxes above? Can you call any of them your goal buddies? If yes, that's fantastic. If not, it might be time to branch out and make new friends. With the tips above, you can enhance the quality of your friendships and boost your long-term success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.